Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas and I have some leftover colors and I feel like playing with them. We'll see what's open. Oh, that's open. So that's gold and black and some leftover stuff from earlier. And whatever I want to go in here is what's going in here. And I'm going to do some strange things. I'm going to make a puddle pour with my Anita's white metallic. And I'm going to throw a little bit of black enamel in there just in case that's not black enamel in the bottom, and it could be. And I'm going to throw all the colors that I ever wanted to in there. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link underneath the link tree, underneath Show More. And as soon as I get those, then I am going to probably do something that's similar to a traveling ribbon pour, but not traveling too far, just in that puddle. So what else? I think that's my neon multi-surface acrylic from Deco-Art, and that always works well on white. I want some red. I might even want some magenta, but I've pretty much run out of the colors that I want, and I'm thinking that that's not going to be enough paint to go everywhere. I'm going to use an edge catcher. That is my plan. I'm going to take a chance on some of this Venetian blue, and I'm going to spin this turntable, not spin art. And then when I get nearer the end, I'm probably going to scrape that off with a Princeton Artful Catalyst spatula, mini blade, available on my Amazon link, where if you shop there, it's at no any cost to you and it helps me buy art materials, and I really appreciate it. And now I've used up my paint, and that is my last number 1, and I think I'm going to add some more. And whatever I add on there, I can pour off. I think I want some red. Maybe this berry color. Maybe not. I think a little bit more magenta will make me happy. And I'm going to have to make some more of this white tomorrow anyway, so I might as well give myself more. I'm going to take this other one. And I saw that turquoise in there, and it made me want some. And since I have that enamel, and I like experimenting, I might as well just experiment to my heart's content. Alright, so I need an edge catcher, and I have one. We'll see if I'm going to use that or not. I think I'm just going to do what I want as I go along, which might include some of that 24 karat gold from Deco-Art Americana, and some of the orange from Folk-Art that's color shifting. I don't like those together yet. And maybe a little more gold altogether. And I like the green gold. Do I want something else? I like the turquoise over there too. Okay. Too many colors. Oh no. Let's just go crazy. Short trip. It's kind of late. I kind of want some white down here. I've got cells forming because there's enamel in here. I'm going to try and spread this as far and wide as I can before it falls over. Too late. I want to see what's left of my colors. I like the black and white stripes. I think I'm probably going to lose those. I want to let all of that, or at least part of that, flow over here, change my trajectory. Go I want? I want some of the dioxazine. I forgot. I've been saying it without the Z. Ooh, I think I'm going to like that. Maybe it's time to give myself some of that berry, if it'll come out at all. Nope. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to give myself some of that berry. That's a Deco-Art Americana Metallic berry. Tomorrow is a paint mixing day. I haven't used an overabundance of black in there, and I really want some more. Who knows what I'll get to keep. But I have an idea of how much paint I can manage to put on the canvas. Gosh, you see all that, all those bubbles, and I want them to be gone. I'm just going to keep moving my paint around until I cover my edge. That was a risky move. This is fun. I think I might have a little bit of experience with this, so it might not be as easy as I'm making it seem. I want all that to go down there, but I really don't want to lose it. Can I afford to lose it? Let's put some of it back on there. And let's take the rest in a moment. And grab an OXO omelet turning spatula. And just fill in a couple of places, so I don't have to keep tipping if I don't want to. Because they make new and interesting areas. And use up my paint and cover my edges. Or they will as soon as I put the edge catcher on there. And I don't have much left at all. So, I'm going to leave that right there where I can get it. Hopefully I won't lose all of that. I can look. Oh, you know what? I still have a little more edge catching to do. And I've got paint all over my tile. Oh no. Okay, we're doing a dip, folks. Haven't done that for a while. It's okay. I've got another edge catcher. And I would say I know how to use it, but evidently sometimes I'm lacking. It could happen, and it will be okay. I think it will be okay. So I need some paint down there anyway to cover my edge. I'm just going to move the canvas right down. I want some of that paint off of there right now. Well, it's not as interesting as it was, but it's still pretty cool. It's definitely different. I'm going to be spreading that on my Lolafi silicone mat in a second. I think right now I'm going to take what's on my spatula and put it on that edge. Give you guys a close-up. Just because I'm holding my canvas up. That's my version of a close-up. And my edges are covered for the most part. I wasted a little bit of paint. It's a little messy. I got one more little spot here, and then I'm done. And then I'll torch. And I will have to scrape off my poor tile. Alright, do I like that? I kind of do, and I want some orange in there. Because as much as I like that color shifting orange, I like real orange more. So in order to integrate that, I'm just going to grab any old skewer. Yeah, I like that better. I'm going to play and paint. It's my prerogative. That's pretty funky. I like it. Doesn't look like much of anything else I've ever done. Well, it looks like a few other things I've done, but just in different colors completely. Shall I put some spirals in there? I know Sarah wants me to. Few spirals never hurt anybody. And they are my friends. I'm not sure about that one. You know what I haven't done for a while? I haven't used a straw. I think one little spiral in here would be a good idea. Maybe more than one. So I'm going to use a straw for a second. Because I love that turquoise, but I also want to see what's under there. And often when you agitate paint, you will release cells. Not this time, but sometimes. Do I want to leave those right like they are? Nope, there's colors under there. Cool. Okay then. Maybe more. I was going to say less, but I actually got out a glove earlier to do some balloon rolls, and then I forgot I had it. Alright, I think, I've said that before, I think I'm almost ready to call it good. And there's my torch. I kind of want something to go down there, but I also like it when things are disturbing, a little off balance. That is a piece of canvas that somehow survived that entire process. Wow, that's hard to believe. Alright, I got some cleanup to do. I gotta tell you guys, thank you so much for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting and making videos. And should you happen to want to be somebody who makes a contribution to help keep me making videos, there are prizes for the drawing that's held once a month for those of you who enter by contributing. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. That was kind of weird. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. I'll like it better tomorrow. I think. I might like it better now, without waiting for tomorrow. So, I love you guys. There's almost 90,000 of you. Wow. Thank you for your wonderful comments that keep me happy, and they do. I appreciate you endlessly. You're welcome to ask me questions if you want. The paint pouring recipe is under Show More, under the description, under the video. Also under the video is my Linktree link, which has all my other links on it, including Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter and my Facebook groups. Yep, just had to do that. She's out of control again. Yeah, I do have a fun time with a skewer, I gotta say. So, what I should tell you is thank you again for everything, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Check out my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, if you're a student. And if you are on the search for my YouTube edited photographs in the albums on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, that's where to go. And if you are looking for a place to shop, look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, and that will take you to pixels.com Fine Art America, which you can also find underneath the link tree that's underneath the video. It's the first blue link. Thank you guys for watching the videos longer. Thank you guys for watching them when the notifications come out. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, I really would love your thumbs up. Thank you for making comments. All those things contribute to helping me out. And when you share the videos, that helps me out too. I love you guys endlessly, and I hope you come again. Look for over 1,500 videos that you can find on my playlists on my YouTube channel. Ooh, that was good. Organized by genre, topic, and the 100. I'll be cleaning up for a little while. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is just wild. I really like it all to be in frame, but then I'm going to zoom in. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you dearly. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Still not in frame. See ya. Anon.